लोकशायेन मंत्री आमदार न्यायालय न्ही जाल्यार लोक म्हत्वाचे असतात. प्रत्येक नागरिकांक तांचो हक्क मेळचो तशेंच लोकशाय वेवस्था योग्य रित्या चलची म्हणून त्यो यंत्रणा तयार केल्यात अशें राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लाय हांणी म्हटलां. राज्यपालान बेरेस्तारा कळंगुटे तशेंच शिवोली मतदारसंघाचो दौरो केलो. ते उपरांत पर्रा पंचायतीन आयोजीत केल्ल्या खासा कार्यावळींत ते मुखेल सोयरे म्हणून उलयताले. समाजातल्या निम्म्या घटकां मेरेन सरकाराच्यो येवजण्यो पावोवपाचें काम राजकीय फुडाऱ्यांनी करपाक जाय अशें तांणी ह्या वेळार म्हटलां.
I studied the constitution. The mandate of the constitution is that we will have to serve the people. For that purpose, who is supreme? Whether governor is supreme? Of course, under the precedent and system of law, governor is the first person, topmost person. I don't think that I am supreme. Whether MLAs are supreme? Whether ministers are supreme? Whether Supreme Court of India is supreme? No. Supreme is the people of India. Each person living in this country, people of India are supreme. That is why the first sentence of Indian Constitution starts with "We the people of India." Who is the owner of the Constitution? Who is the father? Who is the owner of the freedom? Who is the authority, real authority in India? Without any hesitation, I can say the people are supreme. That is why our MLAs, they are so near and dear to the people of this area. And that is why I had occasion to study about the politics. I am not a politician. Governor has no politics. Whenever I reached here about 1 year back, I studied about all these aspects in my limited way. Very happy to see that these MLAs, they were always with the people. That is why I will look into the face of each and everybody here.